fidget unboxing. 2 of these bad boys. It's a good sound. It's kind of crisp. These are okay. We got gummy worms IRL. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I love pressing buttons. Oh, that's a nice one. I'm gonna put that in my purse. Oh, a little baby Rubik's Cube. I've never really been able to solve these. Nah. Oh, it's a little squishy animal. I'm a big fan. I like that a lot. What are these? Nah, I'm not really into that. It's too much. And then we got this. I like that. See, this is the type of stress ball that I like. It's super squishy. And there's also more squishy stuff inside. Do you think this would stick to the ceiling? Should we try? Oh my god, should I leave my head here until it falls? Comment if you want one.